In this video, I'm going to show you how to share WhatsApp group link on Instagram story. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up WhatsApp app and then open up a group where you are an admin. Then right here, tap Add Group Name and then scroll down until you find Invite to Group via Link feature. Just tap on that, and now all you have to do is right here hit Add Copy Link to copy invitation link to your clipboard, and now you can hop out WhatsApp and then open up Instagram. Then right here tap Add plus sign to create a story. You can select any picture from your photo gallery, let it be that one, and now here, in order to add a link to your story, all you have to do is right here tap Add Stickers icon and here find that link widget. You can select it from here, or you can use search and then just type in a link to find it. And now right here at URL field, just tap here once and then hit on paste to paste that link. Also here you can tap Add plus sign to customize sticker text. You can write here my WhatsApp group, and then just tap on Done to add that sticker to your story. Now you can move this sticker around, you can scale it if you want, you can rotate it, and you can place it wherever you want. And also here you can add some text or some effects, so you can now edit that story as you normally do on Instagram. And once your story is ready, just hit right here at next, and then you can share your story with your followers. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.